Hi everyone, this is just a real quick video about the video that you're going to be watching, the clips from the show Ramy, which if you haven't seen it, it's a great show. It's on Hulu. And it just has a series of short interactions that he's going to have with people. One with his mom, one with a guy at the mosque, one with a couple of friends, and then one with a girl that he's dating. And so we want to think about how all those interactions are about disagreements. You're going to have to write a short scene, and so you are going to have some kind of disagreement. And as I say in the assignment, you want to make sure that your disagreements get to something about who somebody really is. And notice in all of those scenes, we understand something about who Ramy actually is, right? He runs up against people who have very different ideas about how he should have his relationships, and how he should think about his religion. And they're always getting into a conflict about that. And it reveals a lot about both of them. Both sides. That is, we learn a lot about Ramy, but we learn about the other people as well. So you can see they have very different values that come out in those conversations. Sometimes the conversations are funny, um, but they ultimately get to this deeper sense of what each side thinks is important. So think about that as you watch those scenes, and then when you go to write your short scene assignment, look back at think back to the Ramy scenes and think about how you can create something similar.